Welcome to ILEARNPLACE STEM Robo Gamified Learning Platform. For access this STEM Robo Gamified Learning platforms, you have to purchase any of the ILEARNPLACE STEM Learning Gamified Kit. Post purchase STEM Learning Gamified Kit, your account automatically would be activated. Post activations, you just log into ILEARNPLACE Gamified Learning Platform and you will be entering ILEARNPLACE dashboard. You'll find here two ILEARNPLACE game. One is Takshak Battlefield, another is Totoka Smart City. So why these two games? Similar to like kids playing other different games, but they are nothing learning. But here, using this game, first is Battlefield. So in the battlefield, whatever in day-to-day school learning curriculum, for example, many mathematics and science concept they are learning, they can implement practically while implementing this game. This game having 12 level. Each level they will understand and implement science and mathematics concept. For example, level 1 is Robocar, level 2 is military jeeps, and then follow me, Arjun Tank, and different battlefields theme games level. Second game is Smart City. So who are kid more toward creativity, building something related to smart city, for example, signing house, smart water tank, smart water dog, smart train, smart school, smart bus, smart road, various smart city levels. This game having various like 12 level of smart city levels and or whatever concept they are learning in day-to-day school learning, school program, they implement in the real and they build a smart city model. Let's enter in one of the game. So I'm just clicking on this battlefield game and you will see all the levels of the games. So levels related to which level kit you are purchased. For example, military jeep level kit you are purchased, then this level automatically would be activated for you. So level would be activated only whenever you purchase each level kit. So for example, you purchase level 2 military jeep ILEARNPLACE STEM learning gamified kit. I will open now what tasks are available inside this level. Each level having multiple tasks. Number of tasks depend on the level, but you will find more than 10 your plus tasks. Each task having multiple experiment. For example, task number 1, task number 2, task number 3. Each task have multiple experiment. Minimum each task having 5 plus experiment. So based on total calculation, if 10 plus task and 5 plus experiment, then 50 plus experiment having for each level. Now I will explain how your kids can leverage this learning management systems and it will help to learn science and mathematics concept their day-to-day learning in the school program. I will open, for example, this task number 3. Post clicking the task, you will find this task page. This task page have 4 components. First one, task video. Task video cover the task video of the particular task. Second is task manual. Task document. So while clicking on the task document, you will find the task related information, your task manual, where theoretical and practical concept covered in this task document. Third is STEM, where what are the STEM concepts cover science, technology, engineering, mathematics in this task. Upload video. Upload video where student whenever done this task, they can upload this video to ILEARNPLACE STEM Learning Gamified Dashboard, and ILP STEM mentor STEM expert evaluate the video and give the feedback to the parents. So these are how the task page works. Thank you so much for watching this video.